Well, folks, Palantir stock getting absolutely pummeled. The stock's down over 9% here today. I got a big video coming for you guys tonight, a beast video that covers a lot of subjects in the market, a lot of stocks. I just wanted to quickly cover what's going on with Palantir, why the stock dropped billions of dollars of market capitalization here today. Do I think this is a proper move for the stock? Do I think this was overblown, ridiculous? I'll share all that in the next couple of minutes here, okay? So Palantir obviously got hammered today, down over 9%. I mean, it wasn't like it was that bad of a day in the market, just to be quite honest. I mean, the Russell has actually had a great day. The Russell was up over 1% here today. The Dow was very slightly down, 0.1%. If you look at the S&P 500, it was down 0.5%. I mean, it wasn't like it was some crazy, whoa, this is a horrible disaster of a day. It's just this particular stock was a complete disaster. So in regards to Palantir, what happened? Okay, Palantir falls as analysts raises questions over Army contract renewal. Palantir's had a strong run in 2023, as we all know, right? But they're running into more headwinds with a bearish analyst on Palantir stock raising questions over an Army contract renewal. William Blair analyst Louis De Palma, who rates Palantir stock underperformed. So first thing to remember is this analyst is basically already bearish on Palantir stock, right? They have an underperformed rating on Palantir stock, basically believing they're going to underperform the market, underperform their sector, all those sorts of things. Okay, published a note Friday speculating. So they must have published this after the market closed on Friday, speculating on future of a 4-year, $458 million Army contract, which is set to expire. Citing a U.S. Army presentation last week, De Palma wrote that there's a strong indication that Palantir's renewal contract in 2 weeks will be significantly less than the original $458 million. He also said the Army might offer a new 2-year renewal of $116 million. So basically, this man's saying that Palantir was getting, let's call it $110 million-ish a year from this particular contract, and now Palantir might only get, let's call it $60 million a year. So about a $50 million difference, roughly, just rough numbers, a year from this contract, right? About $50 million of difference there, right? Revenue reduced by additional vendors sharing the deal. The William Blair analyst speculated that the data ownership could be an issue between the Army and Palantir. Palantir aims to use customer data to train artificial intelligence models. So here's the deal, okay? So Palantir stock fell several billion dollars of market cap today. It was down, we can call it about $4 billion roughly in market capitalization. And this is on speculation that Palantir is going to lose out on an extra $50 million or $60 million of revenue a year from this contract. First thing to keep in mind is this is no guarantee. This is speculation. We don't have concrete contracts. We don't see any of that right now. This is speculation, okay? Second thing to keep in mind, it's $50 or $60 million a year difference. If this is true, everything he's saying, okay? Does the stock deserve to trade down many billions of dollars of market cap? And the answer is no. But Palantir is an extremely volatile stock, so I can understand on any good news or bad news, the stock can move sometimes several billion dollars of market cap. It doesn't really make the most sense, but it is what it is, okay? So as a Palantir shareholder myself, right, am I making any moves based upon this news? And the answer is absolutely not. This is not something that makes me say, oh my gosh, this is the end for us Palantir bulls. Dude, we're done, we're screwed. No. The bottom line is Palantir is picking up tons of business from government contracts right now. They're picking up tons of business from commercial contracts, and they could see a nice acceleration in their business model next year as well. We should see Palantir's revenue numbers next year be up probably several $100 billion, or not $100 billion, I wish, several $100 million next year. The big question is, are their revenues going to be up $200 million, $400 million, $600 million? That's really the only debate around Palantir. So that's kind of my 2 cents on this. And once again, this is speculation. We'll see what happens in regards to this contract. And you got to take it from who it's coming from. It's coming from somebody that's already has underperformed on the stock, and the stock's been an absolute beast. So if anything, this analyst kind of needs a stock to go down because they're not looking the best in this situation, right? They're not. I mean, when you have an underperform on a stock that's absolutely beast mode, is up over 100% this year, you kind of don't look like you're making the most intelligent decisions and kind of what you think's going on with stocks. Okay, appreciate y'all joining me as always. Thanks so much for being here. Thank you for being subscribed. Beast video coming for you guys here later tonight on the market. A lot of interesting things I'm seeing out there. And we'll talk about a lot of stocks in that video, okay? Appreciate y'all. Much love as always. Let me know your opinion in the comment section and have a great day.